13,429 persons call Micoud North and South home. These residents can now look forward to a state-of-the-art wellness center, replacing a residential building which was configured to accommodate patients and provide healthcare services.
The construction of the Micoud Wellness Centre has been a priority for the government, I should say, for the last 15 years and has been in negotiation. We had demolished the older facility with the aim of reconstructing. However, that funding fell through. So we then had to seek alternative funding.
On January 7th, 2020, the contract for construction of the Micoud Wellness Centre was signed, heralding a new modern era in healthcare for residents of Micoud and surrounding communities. The construction of the Wellness Centre is being funded and implemented through the government's Disaster Vulnerability Reduction Project, DVRP, which aims to build the country's resilience to climate change impacts, including stronger hurricanes, more frequent flood and drought events, and varied healthcare sector impacts, such as increased incidence of vector-borne diseases like dengue fever. The Ministry of Health ensured comprehensive community engagement long before any bricks were laid.
The community was very vocal in terms of articulating what their needs were, and we came out with about 4 possible locations. After that, we then returned to the community for a second consultation when we had done the designs, and they gave us feedback into what they would like their facility to look like. We tweaked that, and we proceeded with the construction of the facility.
The construction is scheduled to take 12 months and started in January 2020. From the onset, there were challenges.
Construction phase started in January 9th, 2020. We started with a full force, but then due to COVID, I think March, we had a shutdown for a month.
We had some difficulties with materials. COVID impacted materials as well. So the procurement of materials became an issue. And many times we had to probably slow down work as a result of this.
Despite the challenges, there has been significant progress. As of November 2020, this 4,000 square feet modern health facility is 70% complete.
Here is where all the dental works will be done, all right? This is where you come and sit in the nice big chair and you get the nice numbing drugs, okay? At the back here, we have a storage. This storage will be only legalized or only be authorized by the dentist or the people working in this section. These little windows up here, we call them skylights or fixed lights. These windows will take light from one room and jump into the next room to decrease the cost of electricity bill inside the building. In here, we have what we call a pharmacy. So therefore, you don't need to go down to Viewfort to get your basic needs and basic drugs. You can also come here inside of Micoud Wellness Centre to get your drugs. This is the pharmacy, okay? This place will have a nice big sofa, a table of 6 chairs, and also going to have a TV, and it has a male and female bathroom, fully equipped.
The Micoud Wellness Centre was first proposed by John Compton in 1992. Today, $4.1 million in special funding from the World Bank through the DVRP will ensure that the facility is compliant with global standards for healthcare delivery and is designed to withstand climate change impacts.